Tünde Handó is a Hungarian jurist, judge, who served as the inaugural president of the OB from 1 January 2012 to 30 November 2019. On 1 January 2020, she replaced István Stumpf as a member of the Constitutional Court of Hungary. Handó graduated from the Faculty of Law of Eötvös Loránd University in 1986. She had been a member of the Bibó István College from 1983 to 1986. She married Joseph Sager, vice president of Fidesz and member of the European Parliament, in 1983. Their child Fanny was born in 1987. Handó was a court drafter in the Metropolitan Labour Court before becoming a court secretary. She was appointed judge on 1 May 1991 and president of the Metropolitan Labour Court on 15 April 1999. She has also been a lecturer in the Labour Department of ELTE's Faculty of Law since January 1999. Honorary county court judge since 15 July 2003, she has been a member of the exam committee of the Metropolitan Court and the Law Exam Commission since 1999. She has also been vice president of the National Association of Labour Judges since 2000 and member of the Hungarian Labour Law Society since 2008. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.